Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another fun hair adventure. Today's lovely assistant is Miss Andrea. We are taking her to this beautiful icy blonde. So if you want to see how that is done, then this is the video for you. Alright, for her bleach, I wanted to, instead of using the color line that I get that you guys can't get, I'm using stuff that you can go get from Sally's Beauty. This is the Color Icon Bleach Lightener. And then we're going to go in with a 20 volume developer. Her hair is already light, so if we use anything higher than that, we'll probably fry her hair, and we don't want that. You can see that it is a blue color. That's going to help tone out any grassiness that will come from bleaching. We're going to start with 2 scoops. Add in the developer. And mix it until it's a nice smooth consistency. It should look something like that. I already have my foils cut. So starting right at her hairline, I'm going to pull a thin piece out and lay it forward. I'm then going to take a second thin piece and we're just going to put the foil right under, push those corners down, and start applying your bleach mixture. Keep it at the edge of the foil, do not go past, because as bleach heats up it will expand. So if you try to put it right on where her root is, it's just going to end up expanding and bleeding into the section of hair in front of it. So don't ever try to put it right onto the scalp. It will expand and go there on its own. Fold it up a couple times and flip the corners in so it keeps everything in there nice and tight. And we're just going to repeat those steps all the way down the back of her head. Pulling a thin section out and applying the color to the next thin section. Now I'm just going to speed this process up because the steps we're going to do down the back of the head are exactly the same.
Curtain, yeah, it's nice.
now that we have the back done, we're going to move into the sides. So I'm going to start by taking a thin section from the front. I'm just going to make a straight part all the way back. This piece has a lot of these foils that are going to fall over it, and we're just going to pin that out of the way. We don't need to color that. Now, doing the same kind of steps that we did in the back, we're just going to continue taking more slices across the head and bringing them down. If you're looking for more of a natural, softer look that's not as much of your hair being colored, you can take this section and actually weave through it. But because she wants most of her hair lightened, we're doing it in slices. I'm just going to show you what I mean by doing a weave. So there's your slice. You would just weave in through that, separate it, and then just color that section. That's if you want a softer look. Now we're just going to do the same steps onto the other side. Start by sectioning that piece straight across, getting it out of the way. Alright, now it's all in and we're just going to let it sit. Bleach isn't really a timed thing, you just have to keep checking it until it's the color that you want. Alright guys, so the power in my house just went out. We had to come upstairs because I can't see anything down there. So I apologize for the lighting being crappy now, but I'm just going to start sliding these out, and I wanted you guys to kind of see the color, how it looks before I wash it out. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's out and we're gonna go wash it. Alright, now the most important step is to tone the bleached hair. Normally I would use this Wella color charm in 12A. This is something you guys can pick up from Sally's Beauty as well. But because I don't really have any of this left, I'm going into my professional color line. It is the Shanice, and I'm going in with 10PA, which is another light ashy color, the same as this one. So I'm going to mix this with some 20 volume developer into my bowl. Once it's mixed, it should look a little something like this. Now, toner you're going to put directly onto the wet, freshly washed hair. And we're just going to put this in throughout her whole head of hair. Alright, toner doesn't stay on very long, usually about 5 or 10 minutes. So once that's done and she's washed out, we will be back. Alright, so we're back downstairs. The power is back on and we're going to finish her hair. We just toned. I'm going to give her a trim. I'm going to speed through this because if you want to know how to do the cut, I will link my long layered haircut video right here. And you can go give that a watch. Alright, now we're going to give it a quick blow dry and I'll see if I need to chip into it anywhere else. I'm going to use some Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. And because everyone knows how to flat iron, we're gonna just let the magic do that for us. Alright, and as you can see, her styling is all done. I think the color turned out beautifully. I will do a shot out in real sunlight so you can see what it looks like under real light. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then don't forget to hit that bell. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed learning how to do this icy blonde, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day. Alright, now an outro.
An outro.
So welcome back to today's video. Oh shit, I messed that up. Alright, welcome back. Alright guys,